In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Paperform form link to a free WordPress.com page. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Paperform account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the form you want to share and open it. Make sure you're selecting the correct form before moving on, especially if you manage multiple forms for different pages or purposes. This helps avoid linking the wrong form by mistake. With the form open, go to the top of the screen and click on Share. This section gives you the direct link people can use to access your form. Once the sharing options appear, copy the provided URL. It's a good idea to double check that the full link has been copied correctly so you don't run into issues later when placing it on your site. Now, open a new tab in Chrome and go to your WordPress.com dashboard. Since this is a free WordPress.com site, the editing tools are simple and easy to use, which makes this process very straightforward. From your dashboard, navigate to the page where you want visitors to be able to access your form. Open that page in edit mode so you can insert the link. Once you're in the page editor, decide how you want the form link to appear. If you want something clear and clickable that stands out, add a buttons block. This is a great option if you want visitors to immediately notice the link and take action. If you prefer a more subtle approach, you can add a paragraph block instead and place the link within regular text. After adding either the buttons block or the paragraph block, paste the Paperform URL you copied earlier. If you're using a button, you can label it with clear wording so visitors know exactly what to expect when they click. If you're using a paragraph, make sure the link is placed neatly within the text, so the page still looks organized and easy to read. Once everything looks good, save your changes. This step is important because if you leave the editor without saving, the link won't appear on your live page. And that's it. You've successfully added your Paperform form link to a free WordPress.com page. After saving, it's always a smart idea to preview or visit the page and test the link yourself to make sure it opens the correct form and works smoothly for your visitors.